Changing the hydraulic fluid on my Massey tractor, a GC 1723E. You need the Permatran 821XL, which you see here. The first thing you want to do is remove the one wheel, and make sure you put a jack stand under it for safety's sake. Jack it up, put the jack stand under there. Again, this is a GC 1723E Massey tractor. We're going after the hydraulic fluid. This is the 50-hour change. That bracket right there. Let's see. You have two 12mm screws on each side. I should have said also 22mm for the lug nuts for the tractor wheel in the rear here. Behind this bracket, you can see that's where the filter is located for the hydraulic fluid. Also, if you look underneath towards the front, right there, that's where your fuel filter is located. And if you go straight down a little bit, that bolt right there is for the oil for the diesel engine, for this 3-cylinder diesel engine. Again, we're doing the 50-hour maintenance.